Hello, my name is Bertus de Wet and I'm a Refocus coach. I just want to make you a quick video to show you how you can actually book a coaching session on the platform. Alright, so first off, when you're logged into on my website, you should have a little icon like that which is usually your picture of yourself, and then you just go to my library. Once you click on my library, it will open up the library at the bottom. You scroll down to your accelerator coaching sessions or incubator coaching sessions or high performance coaching sessions, whichever product you bought, and then you say view product. Once you've clicked on view product, it will open up this little box for you. You can select your coaching sessions over here, whichever ones you've got, and you can select on coaching session 1. It will open up a box for you. You can make some notes in there. If you click there, you can make some notes. You can click on resources. You can upload some resources for me to have a look at from this coaching session. And then you actually can just click on schedule now. Once you schedule on now, just have a look at the bottom over here. There's specific days that I will be at specific places. So just choose carefully and it will show you what days are available. So if you look at the 26th or the 27th or the 24th, there will be time slots available that you can book. So you select a time that suits you, you go next, name, email address. If you want to invite a guest to your coaching session, you can also do that. Then you just select, it's a Teams, it's a Zoom. If you want to do a face-to-face meeting, you can select it over there. So all you do is you just put in some information in this box to let me know of anything specific you want to work on in the session. You select on that box, you put in your contact number, and that will then send you a SMS reminder to your phone before your coaching session, and then you just hit the schedule event, and that's how easy it is to actually book a coaching session. Thank you and looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.